RapidWeaver is open to third-party developers who can develop add-ons for RapidWeaver. This allows you to expand the functionality of the software to make it a very powerful design platform. Stacks 4 is the most popular plugin for RapidWeaver, and it's developed by Yourhead. I'm here at yourhead.com where you can find the Stacks 4 plugin. I want to show you how to download and install that for use in RapidWeaver. So let's get started by downloading that, and it is going to go into your downloads folder. Let's go ahead and open up that folder here, and we will find the plugin. You just simply double click, and it is going to prompt RapidWeaver to install that. So RapidWeaver launches. Here is the installer window asking if I want to install that. I'm going to say yes to that. Say done. Then I need to quit and relaunch RapidWeaver. Let's then go and create a new RapidWeaver project by clicking here. Let's go to the Add button in the top left corner. And I now see Stacks listed here at the top of my list. If I select that, it will then open up the Stacks plugin inside of RapidWeaver. Stacks is a very powerful drag and drop based design tool, and you will find many more tutorials on this at RapidWeaver Classroom. If you're convinced that you want to use it, simply click here to buy. It's going to give you an option to buy this and then enter your serial number to register that. As for the file that you downloaded, let's go back to Finder. This can be thrown in the trash because it is now installed inside of the RapidWeaver support folder. We can look at that in more detail by going to RapidWeaver Preferences, and then under Add-ons, we can see anything that we have installed from third parties. By default, RapidWeaver stores these add-ons in a location that is managed by RapidWeaver. But if we choose to, we can choose a different folder to have those. So if you prefer to keep them in your Documents folder, you could create a folder here. Otherwise, you can let RapidWeaver keep them where it places them originally. And if you want to see where that is, you can click the Reveal in Finder button. That takes you deep into the Library User folder. And here you will find any add-ons that you have installed or purchased. If you do decide to use RapidWeaver on multiple computers, you will want to take these add-ons and place them on the other computers as well. You can either do that by copying this folder here, or you can export the add-ons directory, which will create a zipped file of all of your add-ons, or you can go back to the developer's websites, re-download those, and re-register them on those other machines. While the Stacks plugin is a plugin or page type for RapidWeaver, you also have the ability to add themes and stacks to your websites in RapidWeaver through third-party downloads. You would install those in the same way that we installed this Stacks plugin, and they would be listed under these different tabs here inside of the Add-ons Manager. And that should get you up to speed with using the Stacks plugin inside of RapidWeaver. Thank you for watching.